Good morning, students. So today we are continuing institutions of democracy. Okay. So institutions of democracy. In previous lesson, democracy and equality. Okay. We seen what is the democracy and what are the provisions related with the equality. Okay. So democracy. Democracy means that. Okay, democracy okay, demo means people, okay, people, and crazy means rule. So democracy means rule by people, okay. So it is the democracy, it is ruled by people and rule by people. So how the rule by people है ना. अब जो लोग हैं, लोग अपने आप से किस तरीके से रूल करेंगे, है ना. अब सारे के सारे लोग रूल करना पॉसिबल है क्या? नहीं है ना. So that's for some institutions like election. Okay. So election we seen in equality, that is right to vote. Okay, right to vote means that every people above the age, अपन आगे देखेंगे, we are taking in further classes. Okay, so the people who is above the age of 18-year-old have right to vote. Okay, means right to vote means it is a means to elect their representative and continue to their representative in power. ओके, तो आपने देखा होगा कि जितनी भी जो गवर्नमेंट जो होती है ना, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, नगर परिषद, है ना, ग्राम पंचायत एंड सो ऑन. ओके, सो डेमोक्रेसी मीन्स रूल बाय द पीपल एंड बाय रूल फॉर द पीपल बाय द पीपल. ओके, एंड हाउ बाय द राइट टू वोट. एंड राइट टू वोट इट मीन्स दैट have establishing their government and grow their governments. Okay, so first of all in this we are taking about what? Election. Okay, so elections, so what is the election? अब क्या होता है कि जैसे इलेक्शंस ना, एट आवर स्कूल ऑल्सो इलेक्शंस की क्लास, अगर who is become the class monitor, what are the duties and in which process the election will be happen. Okay, so election में क्या होता है कि there is a election and election में take part in the voting and the candidate who secure the maximum number of votes and he will declare the elected. Okay, and that elected number of candidate to form government. Okay. So election, it is refers to the process choosing representation by the voting. Okay, to choosing candidate by voting and allow to them form government. Okay, so election, so you know that number of political parties also. Okay, है ना, जैसे बीजेपी है, कांग्रेस है, एनसीपी है, शिवसेना, है ना. So number of parties are there. Recent one is election is happening in West Bengal. Okay, and now is again election is happening, will be happening Uttar Pradesh in 2022. Okay. So elections means that it is a process by which the people electing their candidate. Okay, and it's election between, किसके बीच में होगा election? So it is a election contest between the people or political parties. Okay, and the candidate are political parties who secure maximum number of votes. Okay, who secure maximum number of votes declared elected and eligible to form government. ओके, तो क्या होगा कि इलेक्शन में अलग अलग पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज होती है ना, सपोज यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 अलग अलग क्या है ऐसे कैंडिडेट है ना, सो पीपल्स आर कास्टिंग देयर वोट्स. ओके, so who will secure the maximum number of votes will be declared elected and eligible for form the government. Okay, so in this way election will happen. अब देखो इलेक्शन तो होगा, अब इलेक्शन को किस तरीके से रन किया जाएगा है ना, जैसे वी आर वाचिंग इन लॉट ऑफ मूवीज. ओके, बूथ कैप्चरिंग या फिर क्या करते हैं कि वहां पे देयर इज यूजिंग द मसल पावर और मनी पावर एंड कैप्चरिंग द बूथ. ओके, सो इलेक्शंस एक फेयर इलेक्शंस होने के लिए क्या मस्ट है ना, तो देयर आर द इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया? अलग अलग कमीशंस होते हैं इंडिया में, ठीक है. सो वन ऑफ देम इज इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, so election commission of India election commission of India. Okay, so election commission of India, it is a constitutional body. Okay, means under article under article 340 there is a election commission. Okay, and election commission of India. So what's the role of election commission of India? So क्या होता है कि election commission of India it consists of 3 members. Okay, 3 members. One is chief election commission, commissioner, chief election commissioner. Okay, and 2 other election, one is chief election commissioner and other 2 election commissioner. Okay, so डेमोक्रेसी को एक सिंक्रोनाइज और फेयर इलेक्शन लेने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा कि देयर इज व्हाट इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, एंड इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया कंसिस्ट ऑफ द इलेक्शन chief election commissioner and 2 election commissioner. Okay, so these are appointed by President of India. Okay, President of India. Who is President of India? Anybody know it? Okay, so President of India, so he is Ramnath Kovind. Okay, so Chief Election Commissioner is appointed by President of India. So अब इसका फंक्शन क्या होगा, इसकी ड्यूटी क्या होगी है ना इलेक्शन कमिश्नर का? सो टू कंडक्ट फेयर इलेक्शन इन कंट्री एंड फॉर दैट फेयर इलेक्शन, तो इसका फंक्शंस क्या होगा? टू रजिस्टर वोटर. ओके, टू रजिस्टर वोटर, allot political parties and candidates. Okay. अब क्या होता है कि there are number of candidates, some of the independent candidate and some of the political parties candidate. Okay. To allotting them symbols, recognize and again recognize political parties. Okay. Recognize political parties. Okay. To recognize political parties and conducting free and fair election. Okay. So it is about the Election Commission of India. Okay. Under article this, it consists of 3 members: Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioner. Okay. And election commissioners are appointed by President of India. Okay. And his duty is to register voter, allotting symbols and to political parties and candidates and recognize the political parties. Okay. So this is about what? Election Commission of India. So next we'll be taking voting process. Okay. How the voting process is happen. So how voting process is? So in the voting process, okay, there is registering of the voter whose age is 18 or above. Okay. So and people are take part in the voting to their favorable candidate. Okay. So for that voting process, there is declaration of the election programs. Okay. Means nomination of candidates, then returning their forms, scrutinize their forms. Okay. And giving them some times to propagation or spreading their message and sending their agendas to the peoples or manifestations. What are the manifestations of the different political parties? Okay. And on the one day there is election day. Okay. And that the day the people whose name is registered in the voting list. Okay. Voting list above the age of 18 are okay, have right to take part in voting. Okay. So after that voting किस तरीके से होगा कि आपने देखा होगा कि there is some schools nearby your area or town. Okay. So the some election officers and government servants are came for take part the elections. Okay. So there is what? EVMs. Okay. EVMs, that is electronic voting machine. Okay. Electronic voting machines. So what consists in that electronic voting machine? There is what? Machines. Okay. Means machines, and there is what? Name of candidate, their political symbols. Okay. Name of candidate, political symbols. So people are going to them and pressing the favorable their candidate. Okay. In front of the favorable candidate, and in this way the candidate who will secure more number of votes we declared elected. Okay. And after that election, there is what? That election machines will keep in the strong rooms. Okay. And after some decided date, the election counting will be happen. Okay. And that date, the person who secure maximum number of votes will be declared as elected and are eligible to form governments. Okay. So thank you for you. Okay. Next topic will be importance of election in the next classes. Okay.